So here I am, hands-on with the new Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design, the world's first 3-fold screen smartphone. Yes, you heard that right, it folds twice, the equivalent of 3 phones in one. When folded up front, it looks like a fairly standard 6.4-inch smartphone. And the same can be said from the back, with its star diamond design camera and plush leather texture. But then, as if by magic, it not only can turn into a usable 7.9-inch mini square-like tablet, much like the offerings from Samsung and Google, but also, wait for it, ta-da! A 10.2-inch true tablet form for watching movies and gaming, with software-enabled multitasking possible too. You can open 2 apps at once and have the ability to swipe from either a direct 50-50 split or a 2/3 and 1/3 situation. You can't seem to have 3 things open, like 1 app on each section, which would have been cool, but you can have a floating window if you're desperate for more apps. It's a 120Hz OLED display panel, and running on Huawei's Kirin 9010 chip with 16GB of RAM, the Mate XT Ultimate design is as beastly as it's beautiful, although to the spec sticklers out there, that 9010 chipset is still built on a 7nm process, whilst many of its competitors have jumped to 4. Triple 50-megapixel camera consisting of a main ultra-wide and periscope telephoto lens, and it's also rocking an impressive 5600 mAh battery, although having 3 screens will sure zap some juice, so the jury's out on that, as it is for the display durability, and that mainly comes down to that unique design, as part of the inner 10.2-inch display is exposed even when closed, so it will be interesting to see how robust this would be over time, although you can use a compatible case that covers this section when closed, and even without it, it still feels really pretty sturdy indeed, and a million miles away from that 2019 first-gen Huawei Mate X. We've come a long way. I'm not too sure currently on region availability. It's possible this won't reach much further outside of China, where it has just gone on sale, but it's seriously cool and a possible glimpse into the future. But let me know in the comments whether you think it will be in your future. Would you buy this?